Hey everybody, we're really excited to announce that we are doing our first ever workshop at Love Farm. It's going to be on the topic of regenerative agriculture. We're going to take some time to talk about what is regenerative agriculture and how we can implement it in simple ways in our own homes and in our own properties. Whether you have a large property or small property, we'll have some ideas and some ways to get started with what you have, where you are. Um, and then we'll take a little bit of time to actually discuss people's individual situations and brainstorm as a group some ways that they might be able to get started growing their own food or raising some of their own animals, and just ways to contribute. And we also want to really build community. We want to start getting people in our community together, so that they can encourage each other, so that they can work towards a common goal. So after that kind of teaching time and getting to know each other, we wanted to do a quick walk through the farm and a little bit of a tour of what we're doing, what we've started, some of the ideas that we have for the future. So we're really excited to invite you all to that. Keep an eye out for the event to go up on our page and for tickets to be available. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you there.